Your income is filed, your taxes are paid. But wait, what about that extra gold? That hidden investment or the cash that's not in your books? Well, the income tax department can treat it as your income and tax it under Section 69B even if you didn't earn it this year. Section 69B applies when your declared assets are lower than the actual value of your investments or valuables and you don't have a clear explanation for the excess. This applies to cash, investments, bullion, jewelry, or any valuable article. Now imagine this, there's a tax raid, and officials find 20 lakhs worth of gold but your records show only 80 lakhs. Can't explain the 12 lakhs gap. That's unexplained income. And yes, it can be taxed without any deductions or exemptions. The CBDT allows some relief under Instruction No. 1916. 500 gram of jewelry per married lady. 250 gram for unmarried women. 100 gram per male. Anything beyond that? You'll need to prove it came from legitimate sources. And here's something people often miss. Even partial gaps are taxable. Suppose you buy property worth 75 lakhs, but books show only 60 lakhs without proof of the remaining 15 lakhs. That's Section 69B in action. Worse, if the asset is in your possession, you're presumed to be the owner unless you can prove otherwise. Even if it was a gift or borrowed funds, it has to be documented and traceable. So what should you do to stay safe? Maintain updated books of account. Ensure your ITRs reflect the actual value. Keep documentary evidence of every large purchase or gift. Section 69B is not just about hidden assets, it's about unexplained gaps between what you have and what you declared. Don't let a mismatch become a penalty. Stay compliant. Stay stress-free.